Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to sign up for Amazon affiliate program. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser, and in the search bar you simply need to type affiliateprogram.amazon.com. This will land you on the official Amazon Associates website where you can apply for Amazon affiliate marketing. Now over here you need to first select your country. So as I live in India, it is showing me India in the top, but if you want to create your Amazon Associates account of any other country, whether it is United States, United Kingdom, Germany, France, then you will have to select that particular country and then it will refresh the page, and now you can sign up for the Amazon affiliate program for the country that you have selected. For the sake of this video, I will continue with United States, but the process is still the same for each and every country that you have selected. So over here you just have to click on the sign up button that you see on the top. Then you will be landed on this sign in page. Now over here you can either log in into your existing Amazon account, or you can even create a new account if you want to keep your Amazon Associates account separate with your personal account. So if you want to sign in, then you will have to provide your email address or phone number and password, and you simply need to sign in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in into your account, you will be redirected on this type of account information page where you need to provide your account information. First of all, you will have to provide your payee's name. So in this section you need to provide your name, then you need to provide your address details like your address, zip code, city, etc. Afterwards you just have to provide the phone number in the bottom, and then it will ask you who is the main contact for your account. So you just have to select it, the pay listed above, and after filling these details you need to press the next button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards you will be landed on the second step where you just have to provide the website where you are going to promote the Amazon products. So in this website list you just have to list your website. If you have any other social media accounts like on Instagram, Pinterest or YouTube, then you will also have to provide them here as well. For example, I have this website called gigagives.com, so I'll simply type it over here and then press add, and it will show you that the website is successfully added. So after doing so, you will have to press the next button in the bottom. Then it will ask you, are any of the traffic source listed above directed primarily at children under 13? So if your website talk about the children that are under 13, then you will have to press the yes button. Other than this, you will have to click on the no button and press continue. Once done, you will be landed on this profile page where you need to basically set up your profile. In the first section you need to provide your associated store ID, so this will be the name of your store. Then in the second section you need to give the description relating to the Amazon program. So in this section basically you need to provide the information how you are going to promote Amazon products. After that you will have to select the option which of the following best describes your content. So among the given options you will have to select any of the options as per your blog or your website or your YouTube channel. Then it will ask you how did you hear about us. So if you click on this select button, then it will show you various options like blog post, word of mouth, or from the amazon.com website. So you just have to select any of the options that you think best. After that you just have to fill out this captcha, and then you just have to click on this finish button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once you do this, you will be redirected on the final page where you will be shown that congrats, thank you for applying to the amazon.com associates program. This is basically your associated ID, and now you just have to fill out the tax information. You can do it now or you can even do it later. So you just have to now log in into your account, and now you can generate link from amazon.com. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.